In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M55, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access advanced features. Then tap on one-handed mode and use this switcher at the top to activate it. Following that, click on one of those options to apply the best one for you. You can enable one-handed mode by gesture or button. Just pick one of those and follow all of the instructions below the chosen one. In my case, double tap the home button. So when I do that, one-handed mode is working properly. If you want to change placement of it, click on this icon on the left or on the right. Hold this line at the top and drag it, or you can even hold one of those corners and scale it. To go back to the standard size screen, click on this blurry area. To disable one-handed mode fully, use blue switcher at the top. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!